BricsCAD Pro and Terra Firma provide an easy and powerful way to import site survey data and create an accurate CAD deliverable. A land surveyor will go out and gather data to produce an accurate survey drawing, manholes, bollards, inspection covers and more. Urban sites can be especially demanding. Looking at this single curved curb here is an example. Here are the survey coordinates from the survey equipment. We open the file in KTF, specify or confirm the file format, and use a code lookup table to create point or linear features. Remember, this table is fully user customizable, codes, layers, and more. As this feature is curved, this can either be coded on site or at the office as curve fitted. Now it looks more realistic. KTF also allows 3D features to be curve fitted by interpolating 3D points along the implied curve. The power of BricsCAD Pro, along with the powerful coding features offered by KTF, provide an easier and more optimized way to import topo data into a CAD drawing and create an accurate CAD deliverable.